my name is Shay, and today I'll be showing you ScalePad's Lifecycle Insights. Lifecycle Insights is an industry leader in QBR and vCIO services, primarily due to its inbuilt automation and deep levels of customization. So each client gets data that's relevant to them in a format they can understand. In a little bit, I'll be showing you our inventory lifecycle management, both assets and users, our total cost of ownership budgeting, recommendation road mapping, and risk assessments. Lifecycle Insights integrates into your current tech stack, from Microsoft to PSA to security awareness and CSAT. We have multiple integrations that allow for less time gathering data sources and more time talking about what's important to your clients. Asset and user inventory will be collected from your integrations and sorted for client-facing reporting. Automated budgeting based on data already in your Lifecycle Insights account is available at the click of a button. With Lifecycle Insights integration into PSA, we'll pull out your existing contracts and agreements so you don't have to duplicate data entries for budgeting. Track and present recommendation roadmaps that link back to your existing PSA opportunity workflow. With our library of pre-built assessment templates, you can customize questionnaires to your standards and align your clients against your stack and see results in real time. Build your QBR workflow with automation using ScalePad's Lifecycle Insights.